How to charge Mark II AC with ElecHive and Battery Bank. The ElecHive power supply has a dedicated 24V output interface, allowing it to be connected to the Mark II AC using the provided connection cable. If you are not using the ElecHive, you can still use the AC-DC adapter for Mark II to connect with other power supplies via the AC outlet. However, compared to this charging method, charging through the DC outlet with the dedicated cable for ElecHive to Mark II decreases the energy loss during the conversion process. With the ElecHive's capacity of 2,500 watt-hours, it enables the air conditioner to operate at maximum for over 20 hours. If you have a battery bank, you can also power the Mark II AC by using a 12V to 24V converter to connect the battery bank and the Mark II. Ensure proper inverter battery connection, positive to positive, negative to negative. Operate under professional guidance to avoid machine damage or injury. Zero Breeze is not liable for any potential consequences.